Today we're going to be making barbecue chicken drumsticks. There are many variations of barbecue sauce all over the world, but I'm going to be making a honey mustard barbecue sauce. We add in our first ingredient, that is chili ketchup. To this ketchup, we're going to add some malt vinegar. Now the ratio in barbecue sauce for malt vinegar and ketchup is 1:3. Mix all of it together. To this, I'm going to add garlic powder. Give it a good mix. If you're going to use actual garlic, it's more advisable to cook the garlic off in some oil before adding it to sauce. At this point, I'm going to stop using the spatula and start using a whisk. It well. To this, I'm going to add some mustard. And now to this, some cayenne pepper. Now, some brown sugar. Now, some Worcestershire sauce. Make sure you don't add too much Worcestershire sauce. The flavor can be quite overwhelming. About 1.5 tablespoons is more than enough. Now we add the honey. Now we whisk it. And now we add final ingredients, salt and crushed black pepper. Now I move the flame up to high and leave the sauce to reduce. Occasionally whisk it. So when the sauce becomes thick enough to coat the back of your spoon, and you can draw a line in it, and it stays, you take it off the heat. Now I have about 10 chicken drumsticks here, and slowly pour it over your chicken drumsticks. Make sure the drumsticks are coated well on all sides. And now we put a griddle pan on medium to high heat and brush it gently with some oil. And now place a well-coated drumstick of chicken on your griddle pan. Continuously keep basting your chicken for that beautiful barbecue flavor. So there you have it, barbecue chicken drumsticks with some dried parsley. Bon appetit!